You're ready.
I can't.
Remember, right, what I want you to remember. In the first 5 minutes, just take a breath. Do not strive for perfection, okay? We're not looking for perfect driving.
No, safety.
Safety. If you make a mistake, forget about it. Exactly. Move on. Otherwise, we end up with a snowball effect that will make you do something silly. Repeat all the instructions back to yourself. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So you know you've got a plan of action. Take your time with the parking. If someone's waiting, acknowledge them but ignore them. Don't stress about it. It's literally 5 minutes of their life. Yeah. You're going in to be tested if you are safe enough to carry on practicing without being supervised. That is all.
Yeah. Okay.
Which you are.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because even after this, does it mean that you're going to go out on your own and not make a mistake? Absolutely not.
No.
You're going to go out, you're going to make mistakes, and you're going to learn from them.
But
But you'll be safe. You'll be keeping you and your passenger safe.
Okay.
And that's what matters.
I can't believe it.
Let's get out. Let's get out of here.
What did I do with my licence?
No. He's taken it, and then you in the post in a few days you'll get your
Oh my
your
god, he's
pink
taking it.
licence.
Oh, he takes it.
Yeah, because you don't need it anymore. You're not a professional girl.
No,
are you?
I know. I've not been here in ages. I don't like it.
Do you not like it?
No.
I'll keep you safe. It's fine.
Stop it. I think I was destined to have because the whole way round
You were yapping.
no, it wasn't even yap. He genuinely were trying shit.
Ever again. You've done it.
Stop.
Oh my god, you passed first time 5 faults.
Oh, 5!
You're 5.
I'm 15.
You reverse park.
I didn't even get one for the tell me question.
No, you got it right.
How did I get that right?
Oh my god. And not only you've reverse parked, you've done that right turn that you absolutely hate.
I actually can't believe it.
Where's she going now? B&M.
I get to get my own suitcase. Stop.
Oh my god.
Stop.
Don't, because I'm going to cry, because what do you mean I'm not going to see you?
Stop. I can't believe it.
You need to sort out your insurance.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to
ASAP.
drive. I can't believe it.
No, don't.
I've got to tell you something. I passed!
Wow!
I passed! No, who's that? Wait, it's in my hand, that's not AI!
She doesn't believe in you.
Well, I ate, so I'm gonna, right. 5. Lich! I thought I'd get like 10. Can't believe it. I'm shocked.
Where did you go? Tell me all about it.
Okay, so we started off as the signs, and he was like, followed to Wellingborough. I was like, piss.
Okay.
Just did that. And I was driving, he was like, telling me all this, like, how are you? I was like, amazing. And then we literally 5 minutes after following to Wellingborough, he was like, can you do the left? I was like, piss. And he was like, oh, now we're done the independent, we'll just do sat nav. I was like, oh, have you forgot what?
Yeah, that would have been like 20 minutes.
It felt like 2.
Yeah.
And then he was like, yeah, so we'll just follow. It was all the country roads.
It was all the country roads.
I was like, where's the difficult stuff? Because I could do country roads, like.
What show me question did you get?
Show me. Piss. Weirdy mister.
Really, mister.
I was like.
All day long.
I was like, sorry.
Where did you park?
Right, you know where that, the roundabout to go to Oldbury?
Oh, Allenbury.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically what happened was he said it and I was like, no. I literally went and went, no. I literally said, no. No. And he was like, you gotta do it, sweetie. And I was like, great. So like I reverse out, I do it wrong, and I thought, let's just breathe. Amelia's gonna go back, we're gonna start again. And there was a car waiting and he was getting really like, he was like looking at me and I was like, I'm sorry, I'm just a learner. Not anymore.
Not anymore.
But no, like, yeah, I did it genuinely, I'm serious. The second time, I said, I know I've got a minor, but I'm just going to keep going. Perfect.
Straight in.
Oh, she was in. I was like, sorry, who am I? I went, I even clicked. I went. And he literally looked at me and I was like, sorry, you don't know.
Oh my god, you don't understand. Sorry, when you got to that right turn.
I literally died. When I tell you, I literally died. I literally wanted to die. I was like, of course, you're taking the piss, aren't you? Of course.
Is not a paid actor. Like, he actually took you to the right turn and gave you a reverse paper.
But imagine if we didn't do that right turn.
Imagine.
Everything happens for a reason.
Like, literally yesterday, we done that turn and we done it again and again.
We did that about 6 times. And then when I heard the reverse, I thought, no. But I did it and I slipped.
You've done it.
And mate, what's this? I've got it.
5 driving faults.
That's, do you know what? You could put that on Instagram. I'm not, if it was 15, I'd be like, oh, 5, shove that on Instagram.
5.
No, I can't believe it. This has been the longest thing I've ever done in my life.
What an achievement.
First time diva. I think, do you know what? I thought I was going to get a hesitation fault as well. No. Because I was hesitating but not, showing it. But I can't believe it. I can't believe it's took my licence as well. I've got no ID now.
It usually comes through quite quickly.
Is it?
Yeah, it does.
And it's going to be a different colour. And then
pink.
It's going to be back of my phone case and I can't believe it. I can't believe it. But what are you going to do without me now? If I think I would have failed if I didn't have a chat instructor. Because that's what really helped me. No, genuinely it did. Because as soon as we sat in the car, he was chatting away. Like,
yeah.
As soon as we drove off, he was chatting away. So, and I can't believe it. Oh, and she's overtaken him.
Of course I am. I'm not hanging around with this little Yaris, am I? I made a new friend while you were doing your test. You know the instructor next door?
Yeah.
When you were getting your result?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ruffy. He's my mate now.
He seems well nice.
He was well
nice. The red car, was it a red car?
Yeah, the red car.
Yeah.
So,
Did she pass?
She passed. Oh. Literally, she said she spent all night last night watching our videos.
We should have got a photo with her, we're famous!
Oh my god, we should have!
No, stop, because we're literally...
I thought of you yesterday when I saw that.
The diva, when I'm around town, if you see a diva with the leopard print it's going to be shimmering. I can't wait. I can't believe it.
Let's get a picture.
I can't believe it.
It's real. It happened.
Is it real? Is this...
She is here. She has arrived.
There's no way. Genuinely, I was sweating buckets. I was like, I'm going to faint. I'm so hot. Genuinely, I was so hot. Stop. No.
This is it. This is the end. Just use your fingers to cover up the
Oh yeah. What happens if people? Why is that important?
Because then they could fraudulently use your license number.
Oh.
Right, lean in. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Can't believe it. Stop. I'm really emotional.
It's the end of an era. It's the end of an era.
Like the journey we've been through. The journey we've been through. The amount of times we nearly gave up, and look where we are now. I can't believe it. I'm framing
Just in
it.
time for summer.
Lich. Yeah. Watch. I'm gonna get the car Hannah's got now. I'm been motivated. I'm gonna get that 2021 Mini. Fuck her.
Get the up.
I'm gonna have to now. Sell her. Get the up because this deserves it. I think. I can't believe it. And we never have a lesson again. Maybe we'll probably organise a motorway lesson. I think. Maybe just a catch up.
Yeah.
In the field.
Message me and keep me updated on when you drive and like how you are, because I still speak to Hannah all the time.
I'm scared. I can't believe it. I'm an independent woman when I leave this car in a minute.
But as soon as you step out,
oh my god. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Everyone's gonna be shocked. Everyone was shocked when I blew rang and rude.
Yeah. What do you mean how?
How? Mate, because I'm a diva. Stop. Can't believe it. Oh, we'll see you later. Stop.
No.
Stop.
I'd give you a hug, but I'm sweaty and I actually stink.
It's
so
right because I stink too. Is my key down there? Should I bring it?
I hope so.
Oh
That
yeah,
one.
here she is. I need to get her. Put on my car keys! Oh my god! I put on my car keys! I need to get a cute key ring now.
Get a cute key ring.
Oh my god, stop. I can't leave the car. I'm emotionally attached.
I know.
Stop. I can't believe it. I've got to show my dogs. They're the people I've got to show. All right, well.
Bye.
I can't believe
God.
it. Stop. I'm such.
I feel like my child's leaving home.
I can't believe it. It's okay. We're a WhatsApp away.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Have fun. Bye.
My Shayla.